Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Can you share with us why you chose to go with Green Home Systems out of all of the other solar companies?
Well, I contacted about 6 solar companies, and because I wanted a roof along with the solar, you were one of the companies that did both. And in talking with your sales person, I felt very comfortable. He answered all my questions, and so we got off real good there. So I decided to go with you folks.
Fantastic. And can you share with us how everything went with your sales manager? How was that experience like?
Oh, that was very good. The communication was very good. Every question I asked, he was able to answer. He gave me written information. And the one thing that I think was really important to me was you folks were using Panasonic solar panels. And so for me, that was a known brand. And that was another deciding factor to go with you.
Fantastic. And I know that you just got started going with your solar panels and you recently started to see a bill drop. Can you share with us what that is looking like? What is the difference between before you had your panels till now?
Yeah. The installation was like in March of 2022. And it wasn't until September that I got the Edison PTO. Up to that point, I was getting my normal bills between $275 in that range per month. And then after the PTO, it took about 2 months before the billing caught up. But then I started seeing negatives.
Great.
And so for a couple of months now, about 3 months, it's been negative. So I'm happy about that.
Fantastic. And now last question for you. Would you recommend Green Home Systems as a solar option to your friends and family if they chose to go solar?
Yes, I would. In fact, my neighbor was observing all the construction, and he was interested, so I recommended you folks, and he has since gotten his installed, but he's he's waiting for the PTO from Edison, so that takes 6 or 7 months, so it's still in progress.
Okay, amazing. Well, thank you so much for your brilliant feedback today, and I definitely appreciate your time.
Thank you.